Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce, manage products and orders step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to your store's WordPress login page, usually your domain, com/wpadmin. Enter the username or email address you use for your WordPress admin account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not turned on. Click the login button to access the WordPress dashboard. If you forgot your password, click Lost Your Password and follow the reset email steps. Once inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu for WooCommerce. Click WooCommerce to open the main WooCommerce overview screen. To check orders, click WooCommerce and then click Orders. You will see a list of recent orders with status labels like Processing, On Hold, and Completed. Click any order number to open the order details page. Review the customer information, shipping address, and items purchased. To change the order status, open the status drop-down and select the correct status. Add an internal note or a customer note in the order notes section if needed. Click Update to save changes to the order. To manage products, click Products in the left sidebar. Click All Products to see every product currently in your store. Use the search bar to find a product by name or SKU quickly. Click Edit under a product name to open the product editing page. Update the product title and description to match what customers should see. Set the product image and gallery images on the right side for better presentation. Go to the product data section to choose the product type, like simple or variable. Enter the regular price and sale price if you want a discount. Manage inventory by enabling SKU, stock quantity, and stock status if you track stock. Set shipping details like weight and dimensions if you sell physical products. Assign categories and tags so products are easier to filter and find. Click Update to save edits for an existing product. To add a new product, click Add New, fill in the details, and click Publish. Check your storefront in a new tab to confirm products and order updates look correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.